Hello and welcome to a new Biela challenge. Today we are going to take the request of Dr. Hope UAE, a logo, a plan for the entire future platform. Let's see what we can come up with. As you know me, every single day we come up with updates in the softwares which we develop. There should be no surprise if every time when we are taking a new challenge, the software is going to go better and better and better. As you can see, it's already writing much faster. I'm pretty sure we can make a bet that we are even faster than a Formula 1 car. As you know, we are creating already the files. He already came with a few dummy data. We are still not connected to any type of database, which means that we cannot yet create, for example, anything with registration or saving in the database data, but this is planned to come automatically at the moment when we launch, and it's going to be very soon. Wow, it starts to look very nice. So we have the activities, the categories, the about, and the book now. So from here on, let's develop it a little bit more. We can go now eventually and ask him to develop more the homepage. What else do you suggest we should add? So we are suggested to get a Why Choose Us section, a newsletter sign up, testimonials, and categories. I just love the way all the files are placed in the right place, and not just that, the way the code is written, it's flawless, clean, and it adds comments, which means that it will allow you after, if you want to take a private developer to finish your project or to add touches which maybe Biela will not be able to do them. That means anytime you want to have human touch over the AI created software, you can always do that. And more than this, the team which you are going to bring in, if you need to do that, but again, I'm pretty sure that's not going to be required anymore. It will have an easy job because they will understand the code very easy. Every single developer has a different type of writing that code. Some of them, honestly speaking, their code is miserable. They don't leave any kind of comments. They make a hustle for the entire team to continue working after them. Here is not that case. It's not going to be translated in lots of times lost just to understand the previous code or the previous developments done by a previous team. And I'm pretty sure most of you, if you ever tried to do your own project, you've been through this hassle. So there we go. We have the popular categories, the Why Choose Us, what our customers say, the testimonials part, and newsletter subscription. I think we would need a footer. We are planning for the launch to have a minimum of 4 development languages. Further, in maybe the second, third quarter of this year, you will be able to develop mobile apps as well, both for iOS and Android, and with one single click, you will be able to publish it already. Within the next few quarters, thanks to our new partnership with Unity, we are going to implement our technology directly in Unity so we can develop games even using AI. Alright, so here it is. We have the footer as well. I see here we are missing a picture, so now I'm going to tell him it seems that there is an error loading the picture and I'm gonna give him the card. Let's see if we can get this fixed. As I explained in a previous video, the images which we use right now, they are from unsplash.com. They are free images which anyone can use them. What is my plan? What is our plan? That in the future, when you want to generate images for your entire project, to access a third-party API image generator service, which is going to generate you unique images for your project. Alright, so it's fixed, but as we can see, this is obviously not a Burj Khalifa. However, if this platform, you would take it further and you will continue your development, normally you should have a system which would allow you to add these type of featured activities. And this requires obviously a part of a back office. However, for the sake of the experiment and the challenge, I'm going to go further and see how the book now would be created. It has the consistency and it has the entire power to understand and reason to link all the objects together. Sometimes though, it helps to communicate with the AI, for example, to build up his reasoning. As for example, I would ask him now, if you would be in Dubai right now, what would be the main 5 activities which you would do? And maybe he will tell me A, B, C, D, E. Alright, and maybe I'm not happy with the last 2. So I will then ask him, can you suggest me another 5 activities? I'm gonna get another 5 activities, and only after I will tell him, all right, I'm gonna go and add as a featured activity A, B, C, D, F, G, H, and so on. So I'm gonna skip the one which I don't like. Otherwise, I'm going to spend a lot of tokens to create something which I'm not happy with. So it's sometimes it's better to just interact with the platform, make the AI understand. That is going to help you as well to understand your project better, because obviously AI can come up with ideas based on the entire type of the project, compare it with the market, which you might not even maybe thought about it. But the system is going to help you to do that. All right, so here we are, and the book system, as you can see, book Desert Safari Adventure, and here I should book Burj Khalifa Observation Deck booking. Perfect. So here we have the prices, and now let's say I don't like that the price for the adult is like this and the price for the child is like that. And I'm gonna tell them I would like to adjust the way the numbers are displayed. Let's use only 2 digits. So now I just shared with him a little bit of piece of information which would help the AI to link the task requested to the place where it should be done. So when I gave him those 2 numbers, he knows exactly that he used those 2 numbers in that page. So like this, he will know exactly where to do me this change. So as you can see, it's already updating the booking form. It creates a booking confirmation as well. As a matter of fact, if we would like to save this data, as we speak right now, we could use an XML file and we could store locally. This is not correct because this is not a safe way to do it. However, XML storage, it's something which can help you to understand how the system is going to function at the moment when it's going to be connected directly to the database. So what it means connected to the database? It means all this interaction between you and the platform is going to be stored somewhere. That's the database. And with our system, you are going just to create an account for this type of distributed databases. And once you connect with that account in Biela, Biela has all the knowledge to automatically create you the tables, the queries, and so on, in order to link your front end to the back end and to the database. Which means that you can create a complete software from scratch. If you want to make your booking.com, you can do it. If you want to make your ebay.com, you can do it. You want to build your bank, no problem. You can do that as well. It's up to your imagination, and limitless power comes to your hands in a very short time. All right, so now I'm going to check. Let's say here. Now let's say I would like to improve this small design here. So let's make it better. I asked the system to create for me this, let's call it error. It's not like an error, but it's a warning. Let's call it a warning. So it's going to update me this warning to look much more beautiful. The purpose of the test is to show you the limitless possibilities with our software, basically. And do not forget, Friday this week, we meet 8 p.m. CAT on Zoom, where I will do live demonstrations of our software. I will take live requests for you, and we will use all together our imagination to build this software together. Whoa, that's fast. That's very fast. I'm so proud. All right, so let's go. Book, confirm booking. So that has been already fixed. As you can see, we have the shaking, and 10/10/2025, let's say. I want at 11 a.m. I want 100 adults. We make a big group with their kids together. Let's say phone number for the sake of the test. And I'm gonna... All right, so he already knows that if you try to go with 100 people is a different kind of booking. 10/45 plus 31.5, everything is confirmed correctly, and it works. It simply works. I told you guys, no more developers needed. I think you got the idea. We have a small booking website now for different activities in Dubai in less than 10 minutes. Thank you for watching, and I'm waiting for you on the next episode, either on our YouTube channel or on my personal Instagram account. Soon we will launch our BLI Instagram account, where please, I need your support and I would like you to join us there as well. Again, don't forget the Zoom on Friday. We're gonna do amazing things live together, and it's gonna be super spontaneous. We don't program nothing. I don't know, we just meet there as friends and we start throwing in ideas and we see the results. Maybe, who knows, we will come up with the next generation idea who's gonna change the world.